Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks class tracking for allocation strategies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks class tracking, begin by opening your QuickBooks application. Log in to your company file. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on Edit. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences. On the left side of this window, find and click on Categories. Now, locate the option that says Use Class Tracking. Next, to create classes, navigate to the Lists menu at the top. Select Class List from the drop-down. In the Class List window, click on the Class button at the bottom left. Choose New to create a new class. Enter the name for your class in the text box provided. If necessary, you can assign it as a subclass by checking the relevant box. Click OK to finalize the creation of your new class. Repeat this process for any additional classes you need. Now you're ready to assign classes to transactions. When entering a transaction, look for the class field. Select the appropriate class from the drop-down menu. This will ensure proper allocation strategies based on your class tracking. Review your reports to ensure accuracy in class-based reporting. With class tracking activated, you can now analyze data based on your allocation strategies. You're all set to utilize QuickBooks class tracking effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.